Okay guys, this is the tutorial on the audio feature in Flash. Now what I'm going to do is add audio and show you how to add audio to an animation that you might have created. You'll see here that I've created a quick animation um, of a bird flying through, and when I export it, it will look like it's flying into the scene and then out overhead. Okay, so what I want to do though is to add some audio to it, and specifically maybe a bird noise. So to do that, just like you would import an image or anything like that, go to File, Import, Import to Library. Opens up our Finder, and I have an MP3 I've already recorded on the desktop. So open that, and very quickly, if I go to the library, you'll see where I have this sound. Okay, so basically all you have to do is to work out where you want the sound to start. The first things first though is getting the practice of adding audio to its own layer. That way you can control it and you can delete it maybe if you don't like it, rather than trying to find it on a specific layer that's already used by something else. So I'm going to call it sound. The next thing to do is work out where you want it to start. So as the bird flies in, I probably want him to make a noise about there. So what I'm going to do is insert a blank keyframe or a keyframe. It doesn't really matter. If I insert a keyframe, it'll be blank anyway because there is nothing on this layer to start with. But I have selected this frame here, and that's where I want to put the audio. Now, adding audio is very easy. All you do is drag it out of the library onto the stage. Don't put it into the timeline, put it on the stage anywhere, and let go. Now it's going to load up, and you'll see that it has the sound wavelengths that you can see there, and it's actually very handy because sometimes when you're doing lip syncing you want to be able to see where the sound starts. Okay, let's see what that sounds like. Okay, you might actually move this keyframe down a bit just so I can fit that audio in there. Let's go back here, and you'll notice now that's probably a bit better. Okay, again, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so that's pretty much what I wanted. I have sound now coming in wherever I wanted it to start, which was about there. Now, by all means, when you edit sound, you can then open it maybe in GarageBand to edit it, to make it shorter than it needs to be, and you're only pulling out the exact sound that you need. But that's pretty much it.